welcome to DocArt. Hello guys, I'm DocArt, and now I will draw Spongebob Squarepants and Patrick star. Enjoy the draw!
Where's your best friend now, SpongeBob?
Well, according to this t-shirt, it says my best friend is right here.
How about now?
Right by my side. Ah! Wow, clothing that announces our feelings for each other. Let's get him, Patrick.
I don't know. What do you want to do today?
I don't know. What do you want to do today?
I don't know. What do you want to do today?
I know what I want to do today.
Our friendship ring!
I guess we'll never have fun together again.
You said you found my dislodged cranium cap last time.
Yes?
Where exactly did you find it?
It was right here.
Impossible!
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification. See ya!